All right, back to our dash and working with everybody's favorite product, fiberglass. So last video, we built the cactus, got the fiberglass on there, sanded it all down so that we can work on top of it. What I'm going to do now is go around and try to fit the parts that came in, fit these vents into these holes. They don't want to quite go down because, of course, we got too much fiberglass in there. This piece, there's supposed to be some holes there for this to go in. Of course, they're filled with fiberglass. So we'll make this where all these parts will go in before we start our Bondo work. So this dash is getting covered eventually with leather to match the rest of the interiors. It's not super important that it be absolutely flawless, but we do want to make it nice and smooth. No humps, bumps, that kind of thing that you would still see with the leather on there. So let's get all these parts fitting and then we'll start our Bondo work. I'm itching already. I don't know if I mentioned this, but, well, you know. So along the back here, or I guess the front, where it's gonna go up next to the windshield, there's still a lot of filling in that I need to do. I'm gonna use this kitty hair. It should give me some strength and I can shape it like I want. And I wanna do that before I start working body filler. Body filler is gonna give it no strength at all. All the strength is gonna come from the fiberglass. So I wanna get that on there, get my major shaping done, and then we'll slick it out and smooth it out a little bit with some Bondo. This is definitely a lot of work, but the dashes I looked at online just really look bad from the get-go. So it's more work, but if you want it right, sometimes you just have to put in the work and make it happen. Got some kitty hair on there, let that dry. We'll shape it up after it dries. There's some spots that where I sanded, it went down to the fleece. So I'm gonna mix up a little bit of resin and dab on that. We'll let everything set till tomorrow and then we'll come back and start sanding everything. Dang filler. Well, it's time to get back to body work. I'm going to get these fenders straightened out. First thing I'm going to do, this has epoxy on it already. Spots where some heat got to it from the backside. I want to make sure I sand that out down to bare metal and get rid of anything going on. But the first thing I'll do is block over this thing with a stick, and it should show me how wavy this fender is, where my dents are, see if I need to pull anything out, get the metal as straight as I can, and then we'll start doing filler work. Quick update. Fenders are ready for final prime. There's a couple little spots to hit. The dash has been primed. Needs a little sanding, couple spots fixed before it's wrapped. Drug out one of the hoods that I have. I think it's going to work. Just got a couple small dents in it. And get that cleaned up. So yeah, that's where we're at. Moving along pretty good.